Welcome to Advanced Patterns React. In this course, you will learn how to implement advanced patterns to build React applications that scale. You will be guided step by step on how to build a real application with all of the complex features and modern tools that senior developers use today at the top companies. By the end of this course, you're going to be able to confidently work on any React code base that you come across. You will finally understand what it takes to build a complex application using advanced patterns, and you will finally progress past that intermediate plateau. If you're looking for a course that is advanced, uses modern React, follows all of the best practices, and teaches you actually how senior developers code, then this course is exactly for you. Now, unlike most other courses, you're not going to be building a simple app or viewing things in simple exercises. You're actually going to be building a production-ready application with all of the features that you would expect. The application that you're going to be building is going to be a meta platform, which is going to require you to manage client-rich interactive features and state. And I'm telling you, you are going to be building a lot of features and handling a lot of advanced things. You're going to learn how to work with React Query at the advanced level. You're going to have to handle prefetching your data, caching it smartly. You're going to be integrating and setting up Tanstack Router as your routing solution. You're going to be working with loaders, dynamic URLs, search parameters. You're going to have to handle complex optimistic updates at scale. You're going to dive deep into cache management. You're going to implement and secure authentication, manage user profiles, and you're going to learn advanced components and code design patterns. All of this is going to be fully type safe with 100% TypeScript and TRBC. You're also going to learn advanced TypeScript patterns that enable you to build features at scale. This is exactly how senior developers build their applications today, and that's what this course is all about. I've literally poured my heart and soul into this course, and I'm very confident that this is going to be a game changer for your React developer career. And if you're curious about who I am, the instructor of the course, my name is Darius, and I've been working professionally with React for over 9 years at this point. I've also taught millions of developers online through my YouTube channel, Cosm Solutions. This course is all of my years of knowledge combined into one very efficient, very advanced package that is going to make you able to confidently build large-scale applications with React. If you're ready to finally see how all the different pieces fit together in a real-world project, then let's jump in and get started. I will see you on the other side.